aming alternative learning system, hindi hadlang ang edad, trabaho o distansya. Sa loob ng 3 hanggang 10 buwan, maaari mo nang makamit ang inyong diploma na matagal mo nang inaasam habang ikaw ay patuloy na nagtatrabaho, nag-aalaga ng pamilya, o tinutupad ang ibang responsibilidad sa buhay. Ang aming alternative learning system program ay work-friendly and affordable dahil tumatanggap kami ng payments via installment basis. Panoorin natin ang kwento ng aming mga estudyante kung paano binago ng alternative learning system program ang kanilang pananaw, tiwala sa sarili at kinabukasan.
I stopped studying because I felt like I was burdened to my parents. I chose to work instead so I could help and support them. Mahirap yung naging decision ko na unahin yung pagtatrabaho bago yung pag-aaral. But I learned to be strong and responsible. I still believe that one day I'll continue my studies. God timing is always perfect.
Tuklasan ko ang tungkol sa Alternative Learning System o ALS program sa isang social media sa pamamagitan ng Fulbright International Academy at agad akong nakipaugnayan sa kanila upang makasali sa kanilang programa.
While scrolling Facebook, I came across Fulbright Academy. I inquired out of curiosity, though I was nervous. Baka scam or maybe it's too late for me to study again. But after attending their orientation, something in me changed. I saw hope. Now that I'm officially enrolled, I can say this was one of the best decisions I've made. And it's never too late to chase my dreams.
I had no friends, my other sisters were left in the Philippines. I was left to do everything by myself, so that led to me growing an insecurity. I used to cry. I cried a lot. As time went on, my classmates are already in college. They graduated high school, they're already in college, and they've moved on. And I felt so stuck, just felt so low and hopeless. And I just felt like a burden to my parents. So that also contributed to why I took so long to finish homeschool. They were very sympathetic, and Miss Elmira continues to support me and guide me through my studies as I'm going through with my ALS program.
Sila ang laging nagpapaalala sa akin na magbutihan ko ang aking pag-aaral upang matupad ko aking mga pangarap. At nakikita ko rin sa aking mga guro ang kanilang dedikasyon sa pagtuturo at ibahagi ang kanilang sariling kaalaman upang ako'y matuto.
Mahirap magtrabaho sa abroad tapos sasabayan mo pa ng pag-aaral. Sobrang nakaka-drain siya ng utak. Pero pag inisip mo na ikaw rin yung magbe-benefits na to sa huli, na yung future mo rin yung nakataya dito. At lahat ng pagod, mawawala yon. Ang pag-aaral, ang edukasyon, ito ang susi para sa future mo. At ito ang pagsisilbing unang hakbang para sa magandang kinabukasan.
Palagi ako nagdadasal sa Panginoon that I know. So, siya yung strength ko, si God. Kaya, maniwala po tayo sa Panginoon. Ilang tayo sa mga pagsubok na pinagdadaan.
Bilang isa sa magtatapos ng ALS program, ang minimiti ko pa sa aking sarili at para sa aking pamilya ay mas magkaroon pa ng magandang oportunidad. Lalo na ngayon magtatapos ako sa ALS program, nagkaroon ako ng dedikasyon pa sa sarili upang magpatuloy.
Ever since I was a young boy, I've always dreamed and aspired to become a pilot. So after my IELTS program, I plan to enroll to an aeronautical college and at the same time look for a part-time job so that I can contribute and help my parents with the finances.
Huwag kang panghihinaan kung hindi ka nakapagtapos sa pag-aaral dati. Kagaya ko, nagpapatuloy ngayon ng pag-aaral dahil alam ko, in the future, kakailanganin ko to. Hindi lang para sa sarili ko, para sa mga taong makakasalamuha ko.
Hindi naman lahat ng oras italo tayo. Kailangan magpakatatag ka para mapagtagumpayan ang gusto mo.
To never give up, not on yourself or your studies. You're not the only one out there, and it's not the end if you've fallen behind or you've missed a lot. There's always a way.
To Philbert Academy, to my teachers, thank you very much for your endless support and guidance nang dahil sa inyo nabigyan ako ng chance to learn and pursue my dreams. You are not just teachers and mentors, but also inspirations who gave me strength and hope.
To the people and teachers behind the IELTS program, maraming salamat po, and thank you so much for the work you've done and for giving people like me a chance and a place to continue our studies and achieving our goals.
Nire-recommenda ko ang IELTS sa iba dahil ito ang napakadaling paraan upang tayo makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Sa mga kagaya kong nangangarap makapagtapos ng pag-aaral, inirekomenda ko sa inyo ang Alternative Learning System Program ng Philbert International dahil ito ang nagbibigay ng isang pakagandang pribilehiyo upang matapos natin ang ating pag-aaral dahil sa Philbert International ang pangarap natin ang gusto nilang matupad.
Nasa UAE ka man, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Pilipinas, o kahit saang panig ng mundo, ano pa ang inyong hinihintay? Maaaring ito na ang pagkakataon mo.